This video is going to be of my truck running for sale. It does that idle thing because I don't have it all purged and it's really low on fuel because I'm trying to change the tank back to the large style one. But even when it's barely got any fuel, it still works fine. And yes, it can do that very often, like without any issue. As you can hear it kick down. Still revs. But yeah, that and many other reasons is why I'm asking such a low price. It doesn't run the greatest, but it runs okay, pretty healthy. I'm pretty sure it needs injectors. It's not currently hooked up. It has a bit of a cheap-ass propane bolt in it. And then it will work, but I need to get a valve to adjust it. I'm not going to be doing any of that. You guys can just hook it up, not hook it up. I don't really care by this point. Alright, I guess this is going to be a 2-minute video. Adios.